So here we are, day 2 on our dangerous adventures. Dang. Oh my gosh, that better not be one of those. Oh buddy, I just found the rare cardinal. There's Bambi! Got you on camera, sister. Oh, you're pretty. Get back here. I like you. Get on my camera. Found the rare 4-legged squirrel. You don't see the 4-legged squirrels anymore. They all are extinct. Pretty sad. Can't believe it. Oh god, I think it's a rare. Dang it, the rare blue jays. Where the 4-legged squirrels and those 2-legged birds. God, when do they start growing 5 legs? I don't know, but once the one-tailed horse, gosh. I thought there's, oh my god, there's a rare turtle. There's a rare turtle. God. That is a rare turtle right there. That's one of those rare reptiles. Gosh, there's another 4-legged squirrel. God dang. That's a 5-legged horse. God. Good lord. Gosh, when did I start making these 5-legged squirrels? Gosh. They should return them. Oh my goodness. Gosh. Oh, there's some rare birds up there in the sky. I don't know when they started flying. Usually I thought they were water mammals. Oh my gosh, there goes one right across my eyes. Gosh, that one went up in the pine tree. Gosh. Can you believe it? Dang. One of those rare freaking blue-legged cardinals can't keep coming around here. I have a water pistol in my room, man. I'll shoot it. Say it's oh my gosh. I have to get closer on this one. Gosh. Gosh. Got a 4-legged toad here. A freaking 2000 two-eyed, big-lipped, 5-legged hammerhead shark right there, buddy. That's sad. Oh, but then we come back to the red blue jay. Gosh. Gosh, there it is. It's pretty, isn't it? There's it from the side. There's a side view of it. And then what? You can even spin it sometimes. And it makes random noises. Gosh, that's sad. That's sad. Oh my gosh. What do we got over here? Oh gosh, when the sun melt. Gosh. There's the sun, man. That's sad. That's sad. Gosh. Gosh, man, that's oh my gosh, that's so sad. God. Oh gosh, I think I found another one. Oh buddy, that's an old 1,000 two-legged shark. Gosh. There's one sitting on a stump. Don't know when they started doing that. I thought they used to climb in oceans, but then we're going around a few. Yeah. Had to do the mating call. See, this is what they love. Those icicles. So do I, man. They're very good. Yummy. Yup. Water. I have to do my mating calls. That's the horse mating call. That's the rhino. That's the elephant. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, I haven't seen any more animals across the borderline here. Gosh, dang, it's a slippery one today, bud. Gosh, man. Have you ever seen one of those 5-legged, 2,000-footed horsies? Gosh. If you want to see what my mouth looks like when I do the mating call. Well, first it looks like this. And the other one goes, "Nyah, nyah." Just heard a doggy. Just heard a dog. Maybe it's one of those rare 4-legged dogs. God. Gosh, here we go again. It's a 5-legged shark. Gosh, when do you start? Oh my gosh. There's no. Oh gosh, that's a monkey. That's a monkey. That's a monkey. That is a monkey right there. Gosh, that's one of those sources. One of those T-Rexes. Thought those were snakes at first, but then man, they started coming sad. Started making me cry, but I think my day's up. I think this has been the day of my life. Gosh. So, if you ever want to make a video like this, come to me. And I am the turtle finder experter. Okay, so I'm gonna stop recording my video now.